Welcome to Currency Conga. Recommended for ages 3 to 12, this game can host up to 8 players at a time, with 4 players on each mat. The goal of this game is to help participants build skills related to currency recognition and money math. When unpacking Currency Conga, you will find 2 sturdy floor mats, instructions, a facilitator script, a pre-printed spinner, a blank laminated spinner, a dry erase marker, 6 coins, and 10 beanbags. There are 2 ways to play Currency Conga depending on the skill level of your players. Identifying currency mode is designed for younger or less advanced players who are learning about coins, bills, and what they are worth. Money math mode is for older or more advanced players who are practicing addition, multiplication, and percents. Whichever way you are playing, you will start by designating a spin master, the person responsible for spinning the spinner and upholding the rules. For identifying currency mode, use the pre-printed spinner. You will see that it has 4 quadrants: left hand, left foot, and right foot, as well as different amounts of images of money. The spin master spins the spinner and then tells players where it lands, instructing them to touch the money images on the mat with their hand or foot. For example, the spin master might announce, "Place your left hand on $1." If you are playing in money math mode, you will use blank spinner and a dry erase marker to choose your own challenges. You will want to do this before your players arrive for the program. The instructions suggest 12 different challenges that you can draw from. For example, 66 cents or 10% of $15. Or you can come up with your own. If you create your own, be sure to test them out before the kids arrive. When the kids are in place around the mat, the spin master will spin and read out the challenge. The players will then need to work collaboratively to solve it, with different players touching different coins or bills to reach the answer. For instance, players might need to use a combination of hands and feet to reach $1.60. So, one player might touch a dollar bill, 2 might touch quarters, and the 4th might touch a dime. In both modes, players face elimination for touching an incorrect coin or bill or using the incorrect body part. If you like, players can also be eliminated if they don't get to the correct coin or bill before they are all taken by other players. The last players remaining on the mat after the final spin of the game emerge as the Conga champions. Post-game debriefing and reflection instructions are included in the facilitator's guide. If you have an energetic group or prefer a less physical version of the game, you can substitute touching the mat with tossing a beanbag. To do so, players can throw or place beanbags on their selected spot on the mat. This is adaptable for either game mode.